Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna share rose clay face mask which makes skin radiant and glowing without making it dry. So let's get started. So for this, you will need 2 teaspoons of fresh rose petal paste, 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder, or you can use multani mitti or fuller's earth, and then around 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Now take a clean bowl and add all the ingredient into it. Now mix all the ingredients well. Make sure there is no lumps in the paste. Now cleanse your face and apply evenly the mask all over the face except eye area. It helps in moisturizing the skin, keeps the skin hydrated, rejuvenated and glowing. It gently exfoliates dead cells from the skin and makes skin pores clear. It helps to remove dark spots and any other blemishes as well. Keep it for good 20 to 30 minutes and then wash with normal water while giving a gentle massage to your skin. You can repeat this mask 1 or 2 times in a week to get a clear and radiant skin. So I hope you guys liked this video and found it helpful. Do try this face mask in this hot summer season. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.